I'd like to show everyone a new feature, and that's how to embed YouTube videos directly onto a page on the intranet. Now specifically for what we're going to do here is I'm going to actually show you how to make a document repository specifically to store pages for that, but you can actually use this to add a web part to nearly any page anywhere inside of the intranet. For this, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to add it to the MIS area. I'm going to click View All Site Contact, and use a listing here real quick of all the different types of libraries that you've got. I'm going to click Create, and I'm going to choose to create a document library. I'm going to call it MIS Training. You want to go ahead and give it a quick description. Leave it default to all of those. And one thing I do recommend you do though on the third is click Yes to create a new version each time a file is edited. You want to change the document template to a web part page, and you'll see what that is in just a minute. Go ahead and click Create. The server does the work, and now you've got your brand new repository. I'm going to go ahead and click New. That'll automatically take me to the Create New Web Part page. I'm going to name this one How to Scan on our new copiers. And now you've got a choice of what kind of a template you'd like to use. On the left hand side, as you click on them, you'll see a real quick listing of what the page is going to look like. You can choose any one of these, just kind of your own choice of what you want it to look like. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and go with this one and click Create, and it'll present us with our new page. Now you can arrange your web parts anywhere you want on this page. You'll notice here, if this is your first time editing a page, that you are editing the shared version of the page, which means you are editing the version that everyone in the company will see, as opposed to editing your personal version. When you're done at any point, you can navigate to another page or just click Exit Edit Mode, and it'll show you what the page looks like. I'm going to add our first one to the left column here, and you want to scroll down to something called the Content Editor Web Part. Now sometimes finding these can be a little difficult. You can also click Advanced Web Part Gallery here and do a search. But since I've gone ahead and done it, I'm going to move forward, click Add, and then click Open the Tool pane. And click Source Editor, and what I want to do here is I've gone ahead and gone to YouTube, and I've copied the embed code, which is right there on the page that any video is shown. Right click, paste it. YouTube's done all the programming for you. Just click Save. The other thing you'll want to do is click Appearance and name this specific web part you just added. In this case, I'm going to call it How to Scan to the Intranet. You can also change the height, and you can change the width. You can change pretty much anything you'd want as you scroll down through here. You don't have to. I'm not going to play with those for today's demo. You click OK, and now you've got an embedded YouTube video. And you can add as many as you want. You can add additional web parts in this column, but for this I'm going to go ahead and add one in the middle. I'm going to go back down to the same Content Editor web part. Click Add. Open the tool pane. Source Editor. And I'm going to paste the data I've copied from YouTube from a second video. Save. And I'm going to change its name. Scanning to email is what we're going to call this one. I'm going to click OK. And I'm done for this page for today's demo, and I'm going to click Exit Edit Mode, and I now have a page showing these, and of course you can press play and they'll play just as normal. You can Also change over to high quality just like you would with any other YouTube video, and you can also go full screen if you'd like to. If you'd like to get out of this page, you just click back up here to MIS Training, and you go back to your listing of pages. Now again, this can be done anywhere. For instance, if you were on a home page for your department, you wanted to edit this page and do the same thing, you would go Site, Actions, Edit Page, and now you're in the same view. You could say click a web part, go down to the same content editor web part, and you could add it to this home page here and have a video. You could add several videos if you wanted to.